Well, good morning, guys, and welcome to Budget RVs. I'd like to show you this fifth wheel that just came in. It's a beautiful 2014, and the nice thing about this work and play is you can stand up in the bedroom. Guys, it's pretty well loaded up. It's got everything from 2 air conditioners in it, power awning, power slide, 2 power electric beds in the back, pull-down screen room, power jacks in the front. Guys, this trailer's gorgeous. I'm going to show you the inside of it, and then I'll walk you around it. It's got a 14-foot garage in it, so you could carry all those toys in. Polaris 4-seater, I mean just about anything you want. Cars, a Jeep. This is just a video, so you guys get a good idea on it. It's got 3 flat screen TVs, guys. A lot of cabinets. Gas and electric hot water heater, 3-burner stove, microwave oven, beautiful bedroom. This is what I love about it. You could just sit up here in your bedroom area and walk around your queen-size bed. And guys, if y'all know about work and plays, y'all know that's pretty hard to find. Beautiful bathroom. Nice shower. Vanity. Nice full-size refrigerator. I'm going to say that's between an 8 to 10 cubic feet refrigerator. Got power beds in the back. So you walk through your glass door, you petition here. And you got 2, looks like queen size beds. Got more storage up there. Tall ceiling, guys. Fantastic fans in the roof. Another cabinet up there. Another flat screen TV. Guys, it's still in plastic. This trailer's like brand spanking new. That's why we're taking a video of it. It's just so nice, and if you're really looking for a work and play, this is hard to find. And here's the thing: it's priced to sell, and it's built to last. And the floor plan and the stand-up bedroom is excellent. I just think whoever gets it is going to be real happy with it. So I'm going to walk you around the outside. Fiberglass cap, which makes it so nice. There's no seam, it's all one-piece cap. No scratches, no dings, nothing like that. For 2014, if I told you it was a brand new one off the lot, you would believe it. Well, there it is, guys. Let us know what y'all think. It's here at Budget RVs in Royse City. If you're interested, look at the number below and give us a call. Thank you.